What's up, traders? It's Masood from London. Let's see the result of last week's market analysis that I presented to you. Because you have to have a look at the result as well. Otherwise, you will not know how the market analysis did last week. First pair was gold, and gold was here in this range previous week, and I predicted that if it breaks either if it breaks down this support level, then it will go further down, somewhere around this area, and if it breaks up, then it will go to these highs. Finally, it broke down, this support level, and it if you take it even from here, it went down around 169 pips. Next pair was USD JPY. So USD JPY, I analyzed on 1 hour time frame. It was in this range, and I predicted that if it breaks above, it will go to these highs at least, and if it breaks down, then it will come down to these lows. It broke above these highs, and there was a very nice break, and the trade was available on this pair, and it went up to at least 117 pips. Next pair I analyzed was USDCHF. This pair I analyzed on 4 hour time frame. It was on this strong resistance level here, and I predicted that if it breaks above, then it can go to these highs. It will keep on going high, and exactly that's what happened. And if you take it from there, even where you could have taken the trade, it went up at least 70 pips. Next pair was NZDUSD. I analyzed this pair on 1 hour time frame. It was in this range, and I analyze that if it breaks down, then there is clean range on the left side, downside is all available, and if it breaks up, then there is clean range available on upside as well. It finally broke down from that support level, and it went down at least 70 pips as well. Next pair was a GBP NZD. It was on 4 hour time frame, somewhere around this area, and it no, on here, actually it was on here, yeah, somewhere on here, and I predicted that this pair will keep on going down. It did go down as well later on, but before that it actually went down a bit, and then it broke up, which invalidates my analysis, and the bias changed, and then later on in the week it came down. Next pair was Euro USD. Euro USD was I analyzed that this previous week's candle has closed down here, so my prediction was that it will keep on going down, and that's what happened. It went down at least 88 pips. And next pair was Euro CAD, EuroCAD. It was absolutely similar to Euro USD. I predicted that this candle has broken down this support level, this structure, and it can keep on going down, which it did, and it went down around 76, 77 pips. And the last pair was a Euro AUD. Euro AUD was somewhere here. This candle broke above. Um, no, that's too far. It was somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere here. And my prediction was that it will keep, it will because this candle, previous week's candle had broken this support level, and my prediction was that it will keep on going down. It did go down a bit, but not that much. It went down. Well, I mean, it went down around 76, 765 pips, and then it broke back up. So traders bang on analysis as another bang on analysis for last week. There was hundreds and hundreds of pips available according to my analysis. I hope that you must have taken benefit from my market analysis video of the last week as well as usual. Keep on watching my market analysis videos and join me in my live trading sessions as well, which is going very successfully as well. Until next video, look after yourselves.